In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Calendly with Microsoft Outlook in just 5 minutes. This integration is a fantastic way to streamline your calendar management, making sure appointments you schedule on Calendly are automatically reflected in your Outlook calendar. This can save you time and help keep your schedules synchronized across platforms. First, let's begin by opening your web browser and navigating to calendly.com. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up for one. But if you're already a member, go ahead and click on the login button at the top right corner of the homepage. Once you've clicked login, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. This is the email address that's associated with your Calendly account. After typing in your email, click on the continue button and the page will take you to the password entry screen. Enter your password in the provided field, then click continue again to access your dashboard. Now that you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Calendly homepage. Here, you'll want to navigate to the Integrations and Apps section. This is where you can find all the available apps that you can integrate with your Calendly account, including Microsoft Outlook. Once you're in the Integrations and Apps section, look for the Outlook Calendar option and click on it. This will guide you to a page where you can connect your Outlook account to Calendly. Click on the Connect Calendar Account button to move forward with this process. Next, you need to select Outlook Calendar from the list of calendar options. By doing so, a new window will open for you to sign in to your Outlook account. If you're not already signed in, you'll enter your credentials here. Make sure you're using the account you want to integrate with Calendly. After successfully signing in, you'll see a prompt requesting you to grant Calendly permission to access your Outlook account. This is required for Calendly to read and manage your calendar. Click on Accept to grant this permission. Essentially, this allows Calendly full access to your Outlook calendar, enabling it to add, edit, and synchronize events with your existing schedule. And there you have it. In just a few moments, you've successfully linked your Calendly account with your Microsoft Outlook calendar. Now, any meetings or events scheduled through Calendly will automatically appear in your Outlook calendar, helping to ensure you're always up to date with your commitments. This integration not only reduces the chance of double booking, but also means you can keep everything organized in one convenient place. Thank you for watching and happy scheduling.